Alright, this is Rick, Vintage Oddball Cards. Hope everyone's doing well out there. I just walked through the entrance for the National here, and I'm heading towards the, I guess more of the tables that have vintage. See who we can see. I just left John Mangini at the hotel, and you know what he likes to do? He likes to take a nap during the National each day. So it's nap time for John. But for me, I'm always looking for cards. I have not picked up a card yet, which is for me kind of incredible. People are giving me a bad time, but I saw one card that it was the Honey Boy Babe Ruth canceled, so it had a hole punch, meaning it was canceled, but the gentleman wanted $15K for it. He wasn't going to spend that kind of money, but still looking. If I don't, I mean, I have to buy something, right? So if I don't find anything today, being Friday, oh, here we got George, Diamond Yard Sports Cards, and he's drinking Blue Moon.
Having a happy hour afternoon.
George, you had a good show so far today?
Yeah, great.
Great show. George looks bright. He looks happy.
I picked up that Christian Matheson today and that Babe Ruth.
Oh, no way.
I could see him.
Not bad.
Too.
Not bad at all.
I thought he was going to get minutes too.
Heck, I could use that route, but it's non-playing days, right?
That's what some people say that I know.
But the Maddie would be fantastic.
Maddie and Shohei together.
That's right. Hey, Kobe, got a Kobe here.
Yeah, they're spam. They spam SoCal and NoCal.
That's right. That's right.
He's got to go.
We got James, Elite Hunter, always doing business, but they're having a great show.
Took the Knicks somewhere I have personally not seen, so I was happy. But
here's James' table. He's got a Maddie.
Are you looking to sell anything?
Everyone.
Yeah, he's got it.
Vintage,
Look at that baby. George is getting ready to make a deal here, possibly.
I can vividly remember they were playing the Hornets middle of the year. It was like a 20-point game with like half the fourth quarter left. And I'm like, all right, let's go. Let's unload.
What are you looking for this?
Like two dudes injured.
Is that 1,000? Okay.
Like even like what Rick Russell did to him, you know how he was like, hey.
George really knows his cards. So.
Thank you.
Crazy. But I appreciate you showing me that. Hey, I wouldn't either.
The benefit of being a seller is people do come up to your table
I think so too.
and see if you're interested in some cards. So.
Well,
Who's next? Can I help anyone here?
There's James. Hi, James.
Go Knicks.
There
Go
it is,
Knicks.
right there. That's a modern card, isn't it? I never heard that guy before.
I'm sorry, guys. I forgot it's a vintage channel.
That's right. This is Rick, Vintage Oddball Cards. This is James Lee. Thanks, James. So I'm walking. It's pretty busy here. God, Wednesday was really busy. I mean, every day's been busy. The line for general admission tickets was, it seemed like a mile long out the building each morning. So a heads up, if you come next year, make sure you get a pass so you don't have to wait in that line.
I have a lot of other joiners if you're looking. These are all Hall of Famers.
Autograph cards. Here's right up my line here. Raw T205s. It's actually a complete set. So like I said earlier, this typically is the vintage area. Total baseball equipment. Cracker Jack cards. Man, the Cracker Jack prices are just gone out. It's out of this world now. It was kind of a bummer last night. The hotels have really cracked down on the flippers, people trading at the hotels, and even our, as you probably heard, our YouTube get-together didn't happen. They kicked us out of the hotel, Embassy Suites. They basically kicked us out of the lobby of the National. Rosemont kicked us out, so we had pizza on the lawn. But of course, the Misfits get-together was a big hit on Wednesday night. We had giveaways. I gave out, there had to be at least 50 YouTubers, like last minute notice, and the people at the hotel, Lowell's Hotel, that we're staying, actually saw my video. They kind of monitored the social media when it came to the National and their hotel, and the manager said, yeah, I actually watched your video and we were prepared for you guys, and turned out great. So looking forward to see what we're gonna do tonight. Here's some more Cracker Jack cards. T206. What I'm gonna do tomorrow, I don't see any YouTubers so far. It is late in the afternoon, and John again's taking a nap, so maybe some of the other guys are taking a nap too. We had lunch at Gibson's. Across the street, Scott Reindeer Studios, the great Mike Petty, and John and myself. So you can see a lot of vintage. Just with me, I can always buy a Bowman or a Topps card. Just the cards I was looking for, trying to find a W502 Ruth, but I did not see one here yet. There's a gentleman has a channel, Stars of the Diamond, has a YouTube channel that has some fantastic cards, very rare cards. And if I don't really find anything, I might hit him up tomorrow. George and James have a great table, right? Right when you walk in, pretty much all the old timers have the best spots at the Nationals. And I don't know if you can see, it goes way in the heck back. It's not well marked, the aisles, so it's, if you don't pick up a card, it's hard to find it later on. This morning I saw a bunch of YouTubers, but I actually don't see anyone now.
I've got the set right over.
Right.
Here's Leland's auction house.
High grade stuff right now, like presidents, historical figures. I mean, very.
I'd love to have the Mathewson card way out of my price range.
Common cards. So it's good though. It's good.
There's a Star Garrett, which is out of my price range. I think he wanted $20K for that. I think this is would probably be my second time around seeing everything. Here's these binders I need to go through. Some of them tomorrow. Some more pre-war. I'm going to try to avoid the flipping area, the amusement park. Practically they have here bells, whistles. Coming up to the Love of the Game auction here. These are some of the cards that and photos they're going to have in there. I think it closes August 9th. And John 3D's 80s Kid is going to have another auction viewing get together, and I believe he has the owner Al is going to be on the channel. So there's some breaking news, and I would love to pick up one of these. We'll see. We've put a bid in for them.
Guess what? I never do the I'm here Friday and Saturday. I'm there for 4 paid nights every single week. That's $5. I'm just messing with you. How's it going?
Good, man. Thanks. So again, these are some of the for Love of the Game. They're going to have closing August 9th.
I saw him walking around when I was in the
He's on the other side.
Some incredible cards. It's kind of cool to preview, see these cards. They're interesting because you can pick them up and look at them. So that's Love of the Game auctions. So I'm at 13 minutes now. I guess people are trying to avoid me because I haven't seen anyone to talk to besides George and James. I kind of made it that far. It goes way back there. There's a completely different hall here. And over there, it's really a lot bigger than past Chicago Nationals. You got Heritage Auctions way over there. Probstein. So I'm kind of cut out here at 14 minutes, but hope you enjoyed the sights and sounds of the Nationals.